I got this couch console sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. All right, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. This thing looks like it's packaged really well. It has a really nice plastic cover here to hold everything together. All right, now that we got everything opened up here, let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Looks like it's got these different cubbies in here. Here's a drink holder, and this swivels. So it looks like everything comes out. So we can take it all apart and take a look at it. And it's got this nice pad here to keep things from sliding around. Looks like everything can be taken apart to wash, so that's nice. And then we got a USB plug right here, a USB-C plug. So I think we could put a battery pack in here. Another nice thing about this couch console is this piece right here is not only a divider, it also has a secret. It's also a lid. So you can just put that lid on your chips right here, or whatever you decide to put in here, and then that'll keep them from falling out. So you can also put a smaller glass in there too, and it'll still hold it in there really good. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. Got a little secret lid there for your chips, or for whatever you decide to put in there. Little holder here to put your phone, and this little grip pad there for whatever you set up on here. And then you got this place here where you can plug in a cord to charge up your phone. So yeah, this thing's pretty versatile. I got the TV remote. I can put that or anything I want down here in the cubby, or since it's got this nice gripper here, I can just put the TV remote on there like that and it won't fall off. So I can just go ahead and carry everything around. We'll go over to the couch. I can just go ahead and grab my couch console and take it over to the couch. All right, so here I go. I'm walking over here. Got my couch console. Seems to be holding it in place pretty good. This thing slides around on the couch really good. I can just kind of move it around to where I want it. Kind of get to where I can get to the chips here and where I can get to the juice. Yeah, that cup holder is really nice the way that slips in there. And this grip is really good for the remote. And now I can just relax over here on the couch. And I got my juice and my chips and my remote. Yeah, I'm just going to kick back over here on the couch in style with my couch console here. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. All right, now we'll see what we're going to watch.